Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here again, and behind us we've got our 9th gen Civic Si, our 2012, and it's just got a lot of stuff chilling in it. We're actually starting to put it more back together out here in the garage working on it. So today I'm going to be taking off the entire suspension, front and rear, as well as our custom Wilwood brake kit for the car, and we're changing everything on the car, so we're doing a full drag set of Wilwoods, front and rear. We're ditching the D2 coilovers, which we'll go over, and replacing those with silvers. So happy to announce that silvers have sponsored us and this car. So let's get into the suspension. I'm gonna go over everything, what we're taking off, why we're taking off, what we're changing, and tune in for some good 9th gen stuff. It's been a while. All right, so we got the front jacked up. You can see the entire wheel wells are sprayed also. Amazing job by the guys that painted this car. These wheels have just been sitting on the car, so we're gonna ditch all the wheels, take them off these buddy clubs. These are more gonna be our street set of wheels for our 11th gen, as this car never will see the street ever again. So we're gonna get them powder coated and then put on our 11th gen street drag car. And then we'll just have rollers for this one because we have the B-Lax for it. So what we're doing right now is these are our D2s in here. Very low miles on them, actually. They've been just mainly sitting on the car. I think I got about 1,000 miles of street use out of them, maybe 2,000. But the car's been parked for about 6 years. I'm gonna see if I can get the brakes turned. It's a 2-piece, smaller kit, clears 15s. You got the 4-piston. They're just dirty from sitting a long time, so we're gonna clean everything up, revamp the kit, sell the brakes. We're selling the D2 suspension. This is the custom drag set. You'll see in the rear when we take it off how the rear is set up. All right, so that took me about 5 minutes. So a lot of you guys ask online about the subframe here. We're actually getting rid of the orange. It's an old color, so we're taking everything off and repowder coating everything to our special green color. All right guys, we're on to the other side in the rear. So this is the 1-piece rear coilover set that D2 made. Been running this for a while. It's been sitting though for a long time, but it's gonna attach right into here. It gets rid of the spring setup that normally everyone runs on these. So these are valved for drag racing. Got the Voodoo 13. Sorry, stuff's just dusty because it's been sitting so long. But yeah, we're gonna get all this out. This is our rear Wilwood 6-piston. And I'll show you guys when everything's laid out, how it all is. All right, guys. D2's off the car. You can see them in full. Got our rear arms here. It's an old brace for the back. It's just more looks than anything. And you've got your subframe. This is what needs to come out when you do a turbo swap anyways. 6 bolts, 17 mils. Got our steering rack attached. I just use a transmission jack at the rear. Take them out, and we're gonna start taking this apart. All the orange stuff's going to powder coat, so. And you can see here our ARP studs and the old Wilwood street drag kit that we created with fast brakes. It's 2-piece all around to save a ton of weight on the car. And yeah, so we're gonna keep this up on jacks for a while and start cleaning off the whole bottom of the car and slowly get this thing back and running within the next year, hopefully. It's still gonna be a while, so. Anyways, like and subscribe. Appreciate all our 9th gen guys following this build for the past 12 years, I think it is. So, thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.